Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 10th of December 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed down 0.4% today to finish the week at 7,354 points, with healthcare and energy stocks falling sharply. For the week, the bourse was up 1.5%. There was plenty of red ink in the market today. CSL closed down 2%. The four major banks were lower, as were BHP and Aristocrat Leisure. The worst on the day, though, was Afterpay off 4.4%, and Whitehaven Coal was down 4%. Wesfarmers and South32 were the best performers among the large caps, both up 0.5%. The top performer was the e-commerce group Redbubble, which jumped more than 10%, though that didn't recoup all the losses from earlier in the week. Iluka Resources was another strong performer, up more than 7%. In corporate news, the Chief Executive Officer of Fortescue Metals, Elizabeth Gaines, will step down. She will take up a non-executive director's role. Ms. Gaines is well respected and no doubt had her work cut out working with the very hands-on chair, Andrew Forrest. Fortescue's share price fell 0.8% today. Westpac said it will reduce the discount being offered for its shares in an off-market buyback, which it announced last month. The bank has also extended the time frame for the offer to help spur interest. The problem for the bank is that its share price has fallen sharply since the announcement. Oil Search and Santos officially completed their $23 billion merger today. The new Santos will commence trading on the ASX on Monday. ASX-listed campervan rentals group Apollo Tourism will merge with New Zealand-based rival Tourism Holdings to form a company with a combined fleet of 7,000 vehicles. Apollo's share price jumped 25% on the news. In COVID news, there's been a jump in cases in New South Wales and Victoria today, in part because people are out and about in the lead up to Christmas. For the second day in a row, Victoria reported more than 1,200 cases today, while New South Wales recorded 516 new cases. The Aussie dollar finishes the week trading at 71.4 US cents. Offshore, China's property group Evergrande has officially been labelled a defaulter after Fitch Ratings cut Evergrande to restricted default over its failure to make two coupon payments by the end of a grace period earlier in the week. It came after Fitch applied the same default label to Kaiser Group, which failed to repay a $400 million bond that matured on Tuesday. Together, the two companies account for about 15% of outstanding dollar bonds sold by Chinese developers. That's a lot. Just recapping Wall Street, a late afternoon sell-off, particularly among technology stocks, pushed the market lower, with the Nasdaq ending down 1.5%. The broader-based S&P 500 closed down 0.7%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 10th of December, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.